Have you ever heard that Murphy oil actually could save a ruined paintbrush? Hi, my name is Gail and welcome to Tuesday Art Talk. So I wanted to find out if this is true. So what I did, hold on for a second. I got 3 paintbrushes, they're inexpensive. And this one was new. This one I put in acrylic paint, let it dry. Look at that, you can't even move it. And I did another one that looks exactly like that, and I stuck it in Murphy's oil. Okay, hold on. Let's see if you can see this. Okay, see, I stuck it in there overnight. Okay, look at it, it is now soft. Get rid of all the gook. Look at that. It's soft, pliable. Oop, there I am. Pliable. Okay, let's go rinse it off and find out. Okay, so I have water over here in a bucket. I'm going to go ahead and... Oh my gosh, you're not going to believe this. Not bad. This is the one I just cleaned. This is what it looked like when I put it in the Murphy's oil. And this is a new one. So let's put the new one next to it. See if you could get that. See? This is the one, what it looked like before Murphy's oil. Stiff. This is after I cleaned it. And this is a brand new one. I'm impressed. I hope this helped you. So, until next week, love you guys. Bye-bye.